Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to draw a cute bunny holding colorful balloons. First, I made the full sketch using a light pencil. I carefully drew the bunny's face, ears, and body. Once the pencil sketch was complete, I used a black pointer to outline the entire drawing. Then I added details like eyes, mouth, whiskers, and arms. I also drew the balloons the bunny is holding. Outlining with a black marker makes the drawing look neat and clear. Keep your hand steady and follow your lines smoothly. Good art starts with great planning. Balloons in different directions to give movement. Art is not what you see, but what you make others see. Now I'm drawing a pretty flower beside the bunny. It adds a lovely touch to the drawing. Adding small details makes your drawing more interesting. Now I'm gently erasing the pencil lines to clean up the sketch. Let's start coloring. The bunny's ears and cheeks are colored with a soft pink to make it look even cuter. I'm using red, yellow, green, and blue for the balloons. using bright, simple colors to make it attractive for kids and beginners. Balance your color palette. Too many colors can confuse the viewer. Now coloring the flower, yellow petals, red center, and green leaves. Colors are the smiles of nature. Coloring is about patience. I take my time to stay inside the lines, always color in the same direction for a cleaner look. Let's take a final look at the complete drawing. Doesn't this bunny look full of joy? Every time you draw, you grow. Our happy bunny with balloons and a flower is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun art videos.